In this video, let's talk about how to make Android read text aloud. Now, in this situation, there are two things that you can do. Either use the Google Assistant, which is best for web articles. So if you're trying to read out the articles on the web, you can just activate it by saying hey Google or okay Google, and you can just ask the assistant what you're trying to do. Now if this option is not viable or available for you, what you need to do in this situation is head over to your settings on your device, head over to additional settings, and then simply head over to accessibility. Once you're inside of accessibility, you should be able to see the option which says volume key shortcuts or something of that option. You can simply head over to it and make sure that you select the select to speak option. This way you'll be able to manually select the text that you're trying to make the Android device speak out loud. So this is the exact method that you need to follow in order to make the Android device read the text aloud. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.